Box cover, this is Dutty Berry and welcome to week 3 of Spoiler Alert powered by Supreme Ventures SV Games. So now, we see the battle of Winterfell and boy, oh people, the episode shell. I'm not even going to waste any time. Without further ado, let us hard jump into the review. Now the episode starts and I was about 5 or 6 or 10 minutes into it and there is absolutely no talking. So everybody a move around now and I see little excitement to start me a fear wonder.
Just give me the light.
The place was so dark that down to JPS a fear wonder. How come? Me pick 3, then out of the blue, there comes Melisandre stepping in like little Red Riding Hood.
Do you speak their tongue?
Making some Mr. Elliot type of sound. Next thing we see is that Brienne signal the fight for to start sounding like Chucky from Rugrats. There comes bootleg Jay-Z and Beyonce, Winterfell's own Princess Jasmine and Aladdin.
A dazzling place.
I know me 8, the fact said them white dirty walker here. I feel sound like when Jamaica and arc up cold out our throat. Box cover, then we see the white walker them start for running in the castle. Sansa and everybody start for go hide in the crypt.
Run for cover!
After waiting for about 10 years now, Melisandre finally decides that she needs to go and intervene. And the way she repeat them one bag of word, the same line over and over again, might as well she take it and give ding dong so him can make a next hit song. Mr. Supreme Games. So then out of the blue now, you look like the white walker them start to get like a common sense, them start to do them like a G-sat. So legit them start to pile themselves on one another and make one bridge over troubled fire. Them dead but them don't the box foot. No, at this point now me like any minute we can expect a guest appearance from the man of fire, Capitan.
You know see a dead man them, dopey man them.
Then we have to get to this moment when Lyanna approached that giant, that zombie giant, and she rushed with all of fear 100-meter might. But you see when him hold her up so, and he squeeze her body and me literally hear the bone them just go so. But my girl used her little last battery % and so you're dead like a queen, so you're dead like a champion. So then now the White Walker Dragon Viserys start to go attack Jon and Dany. Mr. What? Then when we see Arya in the crypt run for her life, Mr. Me next string. Then the moment you know Dany come face to face with the Night King.
Dracarys.
What only say the Night King just stand there so with this little all sinister grin on him face. Me SV Games, then Jon now him decides that he want to go play Nanya the Maroon and Paul Bogle hero now. You see when the brother goes so? You see everybody who did dead just rise up. Resurrect like so them they celebrate Easter weekend.
Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight.
Then now you flashback to Theon. Theon Greyjoy there protecting Bran Stark and me now tell you Theon put on one piece of fighting. And you know who me upset with people? Jorah come in and save Dany by the by the skim of her hair. Him come in and come save her. Every single time. That man out there are dead for Dany. And the least Dany could have do, I give the man a little 2 man or 3 man coming at the show and Dany just run go say, And she couldn't look on Jorah and give the man a nice little troops on him face or something after what that brother do for her. Boy, oh boy, Jorah, you're just forever friend zone. But you know the good thing about it is that in this moment without her dragon, she was forced to fight. No, Dany fighting kind of come like me using knife and fall for the first time.
You look so dumb right now.
But then see my moment here, as much as me can stand the Night Walker. But this brother look cool, this brother and him brethren them step in like say him is amigos. Like him a walk and I listen to so sassy.
Anywhere me go the girl them love me. Like a 4-leaf glove on me lucky.
Theon see him, then Theon decides that him gonna follow everybody and bust one of the 100-meter sprint. Run towards the Night King only for the Night King just. Then me only see the Night King walk right up to Bran. Me say, Jesus, people, look how brother got dead. Then as me take a check out of nowhere, me see Arya jump out. Me don't know where Arya come from. Arya jump literally out of the sky. Me see the Night King turn on, so hold on her neck. I say, yes, see ya. Arya dead. Arya dead the show. Done. There's no more coming back. Arya drop the dagger from one hand, use it catch her next hand, and just. You are the MVP. Me not more for say like, you're the MVP. You win the show. Because right there and then you show so you're the baddest girl in the show. Like Dany no bad like you, Sansa no bad like you. You're bad. All of your training lead you to this moment. I can't believe Arya defeat the Night King.
Wow.
And you owe me the inner Winterfell. You think I stay for the fight there? The minute I turn up in the army, I realize that things I get real. You know, so it's a taxi that me call. Can I get a pickup from Winterfell going straight to King's Landing? Bagger number 4, pick up. Winterfell going to King's Landing, 5 minutes or less. 5 minutes or less. Well, that is it for my review. So now I want to jump down into what you guys predicted last week for this episode in today's spoiler alert powered by SV Games. So now, let me just make you know some of the submissions that we got. So we got from @Rushelin. She said that she thinks that Brienne of Tarth will die in the Great Battle of Winterfell, probably trying to save Jaime. Chanike, big up for entering. She said that she feels that a major character will die on the show Sunday. Hopefully it is not Jon Snow. So Jon Snow never dead.
The Night King is coming.
Yeah, man say him not sure, but people are dead and fans are ball. So Squadron on YouTube, he says a big fight going to start and him feel that Tyrion is going to figure out how to beat the Night Walkers. No, Tyrion did punk out the word of the episode. Yeah. The winning submission from this week, the person who most accurately predicted what was going to happen in the Battle of Winterfell. That person is, drum roll for me please. Kavan! Woo! Yes! Congratulations! Now this is what Kavan wrote on Twitter. He said, Jaime could die in the Battle of Winterfell. Theon 2, the Night King could bring all the people in the crypt to fight for him. Civil Guts, I know Jaime never dead, but Theon actually died. And the people in the crypt might not come up, but he actually brought back people from the dead. So kind of the closest prediction to what exactly happened. So congratulations, Kavan. You'll be receiving an awesome party package filled with cool Game of Thrones memorabilia, as well as wings, wine, seasoned fries, and a whole host of other surprises. Courtesy of Mail Pack Local and SV Game Supreme Ventures Limited. Remember people, if you want to enter, you can post a video, you can make a tweet, you can leave a comment on YouTube, as long as you include the hashtag SVLGOTS. Just read the information in the description for any other questions that you may have. Thank you so much for watching this week's spoiler alert powered by Supreme Ventures SV Games. Thanks so much for the support, and I can't wait to talk about Game of Thrones next Sunday. It's a go shell.